Guys, guys, in this video, we'll be talking about the different types of teeth which humans have and what are the different functions which each of the different types of teeth perform. So as you can see that humans have 5 different types of teeth in their mouth. The ones in the middle, they are called incisors. The ones after them are called canines. Then those after them are called premolars, then molars, and finally wisdom teeth. Of course, we'll look at them one by one in the next slides. So here you can see the first we'll be talking about incisors. Okay, so incisors are the how many incisors we have? Humans have 8 incisors altogether, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. As you can see, 4 are in the upper jaw and 4 are in the lower jaw. So what's the shape of the incisors? Incisors are shovel shaped, as you can see, and the function of incisors is that they are used for biting and cutting food. You know, when you bite an apple, you use these incisors. Okay, so that's the function. We have 8 incisors. They are shovel shaped and they are used for biting and cutting food. Moving on, the next ones are canines, and humans have 4 canine teeth, one in each quarter of the mouth on each side of the incisors. So this is first quarter, this is second quarter of the mouth, this is third, and this is fourth. So one canine is in each quarter of the mouth, and they are on each side of the incisors. Remember, these were the incisors and they are on their sides. Okay, so canines are pointy shaped, and based on upon their shape, their function is that they are used for tearing and ripping food. So of course, when they are pointy, it means that they can be used for tearing some hard things, okay, and ripping the food. So once again, there are 4 canines in the mouth, one in each quarter of the mouth. Next is premolars. Premolars, remember that humans have 8 premolars, okay, 2 in each quarter of the mouth. They are between canine tooth and molars. So this is the first quarter of the mouth, this is the second quarter of the mouth, this is the third quarter of the mouth, and this is the fourth. So as you can see that there are 2 in each quarter of the mouth, and they are between canines and molars. So these are canines and these are molars. So you can see that these premolars are between canines and molars, and their shape is that of small and flat. Okay, they are relatively smaller and flatter, and based upon that, their function is holding and crushing food. You know, if something is small and flat, it means that it can be used for holding the food, and of course crushing, because smaller and flat means that they have more power. Next is molars. You know, they are adjacent to premolars. So humans have 8 molars, 2 in each quarter of the mouth. They are at the back of the mouth behind the premolars. So these are the premolars, and behind them are molars. So there are 2 in each quarter of the mouth. Okay, and they are large and flat, and they are used for grinding the food. You know, when you bite the food through incisors, then you grind them with the help of the molars. Okay, because they are large and flat, it means the large means that they have more surface area, and by flatter means that they're also more stronger and bigger, so they can be used for grinding the food. And the last ones are wisdom teeth. You know, they're the most inside part of the mouth, and humans can have up to 4 wisdom teeth, although not everyone have them. There is one in each quarter of the mouth. As you can see, in each quarter of the mouth there is one wisdom teeth. So their shape is large and flat, and they are just a sort of third molar. Okay, since these were the 2 molars in each quarter of the mouth, some people say that they are just the third molar. Okay, and their function, well, does not have one right now. Okay, nowadays they do not have any function, but why are they then in our mouth? Some scientists believe that human ancestors needed a third molar to help grind down plant tissues from thicker leaves when humans still ate them. So when humans eat plant tissues, okay, back in the early days, then they used some extra power, and they extracted this power from a third molar in the form of a wisdom teeth, which we now call. Okay, but since the diet of humans has changed, we no longer need the wisdom teeth. As the human diet changed, our mouths have become smaller. This is the reason why many people have their wisdom teeth extracted or taken out, as there is no real room for any wisdom tooth, so it tends to grow inward, and can cause a problem. So over the years, you know, the our diets have changed. Okay, we have gone into eating softer diets, so we don't need any of this extra molar. Okay, so what happens is that as a result, over the centuries, our mouths have become smaller. This means that there is no space for this wisdom teeth in our mouths. So when one grows, it causes pain. Okay, it becomes inward, it protrudes inward and causes pain. That's why most people have them extracted. So now you can use this figure. You can use this figure to fill in these blank spots to test yourselves whether you know these teeth or not. Okay, so for more videos, to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and do give us a thumbs up.